Red!
Once again, ladies and gents, welcome back to the Ridge. Let's step into the third game of the day, where we are now playing the game mode Arm Your Mortar. We're on the defence and need to prevent the enemy stealing our ammo tins, which contains munitions for their mortar. Halfway through, we can begin attacking their mortar position and hold it for a total victory. We joined the fight late and observed some flying people. Oh yep.
If you find a AP magazine,
okay. Keep an eye out.
How long ago did you lose it? Just now?
Just now, yeah, this game.
Keep an eye out. Thank you.
Our team have already done a very hard push around the right side and have the enemy almost back to their spawn. So we go into support and clear a small group so we can move towards their mortar ahead of time.
We've got shots from on the right, I think.
Yeah, Marshall said to watch the bounds. Always meant to be.
Enemy spotted.
Yep. A minute ago, one just came up across here. Does that still in? Literally this corner. Literally maybe like a minute ago. Peeked around this corner.
And then this shit happened.
Safe? Is it safe?
You can say yes or no. Yes, madam.
Lovely. Oh yes! Fuck's sake, man! Oh, Jesus.
Be aware of your surroundings, people. Anyway, back to spawn and back in. On my way back, I checked the tins here and another one further out here. Both still there. Lovely jubbly.
Hello.
Once back with the boys, we decide to hold this open area ahead of the enemy spawn and the surrounding forest, to allow for the other half of our team to push from the east towards us through the mortar area.
Sounds like it. Yeah, it's right. Red. Yeah. It's fine. Run, what do you reckon? Over there.
Not down.
Smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave.
There's red coming down the corridor.
Is it? Let me get posted up then in this lovely puddle. Sorry, mate.
Still thinking that the area ahead of us was Op 4 occupied, I shot a friendly that had pushed the whole way through. But not to worry, as I medic him back in. This is good news though, as it means we will likely be able to win this game, adding on to the 2 wins from before lunch.
Yeah, red. Switch to single. What did I say?
Me and the boys wanted to push up further to get better footholds in the land, but being so close to their spawn, Costas, the marshal, asked us to hold back and continue defending.
There's one.
Have you got a reverse?
For what?
To literally go down.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, cool.
Yeah. Edge. What up there? Come on, darling. Stay with me. Don't die yet. Oh, down, not feed. Why nothing feeding?
This machine gun is getting into her 3rd year of use and is struggling. This little issue was to do with the suppressor blocking bullets in the barrel and the gun not cycling properly because of it. But that fixed, back to defending and chatting shit with the boys.
Back in.
Can't go any further than this way, can we?
Nope.
Annoying, every time I peek
There they are.
I hear someone shoot, but I don't see them.
Marshall, on staff. Woo, Marshall, woo! Hey, no need to stress man like that.
Oh, it's fine.
Central Island, yeah. This is a nice little beach. Just laying
I
bitch.
like a wonky spot. Left immediately here.
The snake? Snake?
I don't know. Red's struggling.
As the gunner, I decide to take a position just out of enemy gun range and be the eyes for the boys who are closer to the front. And then Gethin does this.
We're just not pushing as hard, maybe, but it is what it is. It's hot though as well, getting. Yeah.
Hello, Gethin.
Don't just keep getting lucky.
Hey, that quick.
He just decides he doesn't want the DMR anymore and nabs me gun. But no issue, I'm not busy. Just chatting with Costas and Brandon, and we swap again shortly anyway.
I was talking to Gethin. What's the FPS of that?
This one, I'm not sure. I believe it's 320. You could put a more powerful spring in it, but this is just how it came.
Yeah.
Because we brought up one of our mates who's given up Airsoft. He's going more into cars, so.
Yeah.
You don't remember the Barrett that I got? The big 50 caliber.
I think so.
Bought it here once and I broke it, and then we put the gas conversion in it, nearly 1,000 foot per second. Ridiculous. We bought it here and chronoed it, and they were
I
like,
don't remember.
no, that needs to, no, just no. Stop looking at my cock. Hey yo, do not put around up my arsehole, please. A round from your rifle would have split my bum hole in two. Go on, get him, get him. Go on. What kind of position can I get in? Maybe. Oh, there. Yeah.
This gun's not fun to use.
Indeed. Machine gun. Oh, come on! Grenade kill as well, man! Yeah.
This raid got very close, and after a short fight, the marshal decided I could rejoin the battle instead of full respawning due to confusion on who died first. The grenade was deemed just outside of kill radius, hence my reaction. And with not long left to go, I returned and just held this area until Index. We of course won this game, and have at least secured a partial win for the day. Come back soon for game 4 to see if we won the full day.
Not the one that cost us damage. The fast bit.
Yeah, go back
You
there.
do that, then respawn
Yep. Oh, custom respawn. Gilly fella. Do you see them bushes just in front of us?
Yep.
Someone down the middle partition they're peeking at now. You might be able to see the glint of their helmet. Sure. Yeah. I'll hand it to Costas actually. Costas! He's down. Sweet. Costas! I call it pelvis.